Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
If you have entered the project data, built its architecture, and inserted luminaires and lighting calculation objects, exported the DWG plans and the IFC models, or maybe the ray tracings and the views, it's now time to prepare the documentation. The documentation can be either a report, a presentation, or a table, but these two are pro, which means you need to pay to get them. Let's talk about the report. On here you can change its format or switch to full page or go back to a page width. You can save it here, print it here, and on here you have the layout alternatives. You can hide it or expand it. We are now on this one. Let's switch to this. It will look like this, but let's go back here. This layout alternative, you find it actually, we are now in this tab, page selection. This layout alternatives, you can find them in this tab, layout, and you find them here actually. You have the standard layout and you have the layout alternatives. These are the alternatives. These ones to the left are the standard one, and if you want to switch to other alternatives, they are these two here. For the table of content, you only have one. For the contacts, you have this one and this one, etc., etc. Let's go back to page selection. This part is the elements, or are the elements that are going to be displayed on our report. So if I click on show entire documentation, there are 23 pages and they are now showing. We'll be able to visualize them here in this part. If we scroll down, we'll see all the pages that we will have in our report. We have here import page selection. If you have already a page selection saved in your computer, you can import it. You can export this selection, and then you can save page selection as default. If we click on this edit, we will be able to add, to include or exclude any element in this report. For example, we have the cover page. I want to change it, so I will click on it, and DIALux by default gives us a lot of options. So I will click on this one, double click on it, and I will apply. I like this one. As for the layout alternative, I like this photo to be in the middle like this. I don't need the preface. I want the table of contents. I want the contacts. It's me. The description, I don't need it. Images, no. Luminaire list on here, no. Same for product data sheet. Same here. I will go to site, building, luminaire list, not now. Story, room list, I don't need it. It's one room. Luminaire list, calculation objects, no. I will go to room 1 or the office. Summary, yes. Luminaire layout plan, I don't need it because I have it in the AutoCAD file. Luminaire list, yes. Calculation objects, all that, I need all that. And then the glossary, I don't need it. And then I will click again on edit, show entire documentation, and here is it. Now that everything is ready, you can go and click on save as. You save it PDF, and then you save it to the location you want to.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.